Q&A Edition 1, powered by Tom and Tom Computer Training Institute. Welcome to Unveiling the World of Computers, Question and Answer Edition 1. In this video, we will be answering some of your most pressing questions about different computer topics. Let's dive in. 1. What is the difference between hardware and software? Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer, such as the motherboard and the graphic card. Software, on the other hand, refers to the programs and applications that run on the hardware. 2. What is the purpose of an operating system? An operating system acts as a bridge between the user and the computer hardware. It allows you to interact with your computer and manage all the resources and tasks of your device. 3. What is a virus and how can I protect my computers from it? A virus is a type of malicious software that can harm your computer by corrupting files or stealing your personal information. To protect your computer, make sure to use a reliable antivirus program. Keep your software up to date and avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading files from unknown sources. 4. What is the cloud and how does it work? The cloud refers to storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of on your computer hardware drive. It allows you to access your files from multiple devices and ensures that your data is securely backed up. What is the difference between RAM and storage? RAM, or random access memory, is responsible for temporarily storing data that the computer needs to access quickly. Storage, on the other hand, refers to the long-term storage of data, such as files and programs, on your computer's hard drive or solid-state drive. Thank you for watching Unveiling the World of Computers, Q&A Edition 1. We hope this video has helped you understand some of the basics about computers. If you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay tech savvy.